Unboxing and setting up the HP LaserJet Pro MFP 4101 through 4104 DW, FDN, and FDW printer series. Open the box and remove the setup guide and other documentation included with the printer. Remove the printer power cord and USB cable if one is present and set them aside. With the box on its side, grasp the packaging and pull to remove the printer from the box. Remove the styrofoam end caps from the printer and set them aside. Remove the plastic bag from the printer. Remove the orange tape from the side of the printer. Remove the clear tape from the paper width guides on the top of the printer. Remove the clear plastic shield from the display panel and HP symbol. And finally, remove the orange tape from the back of the printer. Slide out the input tray and slide the paper width guides to the sides of the tray. Place paper in the tray and adjust the guides so that they are resting against the edges of the paper. Slide the tray back into the printer. Plug the power cord into the rear of the printer and plug the other end into a power source. Note: HP recommends plugging the printer directly into a wall outlet. Press the power button and the printer powers on. Select your language and tap Confirm. Then select your country or region. You are then prompted to select your connection method. This video will proceed with the wireless setup process. To continue with the wireless setup, tap Wireless. The printer searches for available networks. Tap your network name from the list of available networks. Use the touch keypad to enter your wireless password and tap Done. Confirm the settings and tap OK. On the Connection Successful screen, tap OK. Set the date and tap Continue. Set the time and tap Continue. On the Firmware Update screen, scroll through and select Next. Select your preferred method for updating the printer. HP recommends Auto Update. Tap Save. On the Thank you for choosing HP screen, tap Continue. To set up the printer software on your computer, open a web browser and go to hpsmart.com/download. Type in your printer name and model number and click Next. Click Download and a file will be downloaded onto your computer. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the prompts to install HP Easy Start. On the Welcome to HP Easy Start screen, select Continue. On the Share Data Usage screen, select either Yes or No. HP Easy Start searches for available printers. The printers that are detected display on the screen. Select your printer and click Continue. On the End User License Agreement screen, read through, check the box, and select Accept. On the Printer Analytics screen, read through and select either Yes or No thanks. On the Application Analytics screen, read through and select either Yes or No thanks. The software installs. This may take a few minutes. On the Fax Setup Wizard, select either Next or Skip, depending on whether you want to set up faxing or not. On the Setup Complete screen, select Finish. The printer setup process is complete and you can now begin printing.